own wildfire seasons when it comes to when we're in a drought. And we're supposed to be not in a drought anymore because of all the rain that we've had. But unfortunately, the heat has kind of really played into the fact that we're also pretty dry right now in July.
Exactly. Definitely not normal to have severe to extreme drought conditions this far into rainy season, especially with August traditionally being the wettest month of the year. So this is the month where we really recuperate all of that rainfall lost during dry season. So the question is, just how dry will August be? Of course, we'll talk more about that tonight on Fox 4 News at 10. We'll take a closer look at that Climate Prediction Center outlook, so be sure to tune in. Otherwise, shower storms at this hour continuing to dwindle down, especially farther inland. And perhaps you're heading off to Tarpon Lodge. Picture perfect there, looking across Pine Island Sound. Bit of cloud cover. Optimistic, though, enough of those clouds will be clearing out so that you can check out tonight's supermoon. Should be quite a beautiful sight to see. But for now, it is mostly cloudy, but fairly quiet across Lee County at this point. Just a couple of light spotty sprinkles from Fort Myers stretching back to Lehigh Acres. Same story south of LaBelle through Felda up to Moorhaven. If you are traveling that direction, you are seeing some wet roadways from Clewiston down toward the Montura area. But at least we no longer have those heavy downpours, or more importantly, those lightning strikes to contend with this evening. Really just some showers to help cool you down. Live look from the beautiful Luminary Hotel in downtown Fort Myers. And there we go. We can already start to see those clouds breaking apart just a bit. You know, it's going to be a beautiful sunset. We're at 87 degrees. Factor in that humidity, that dew point, the measure of moisture in the air. It's still feeling more like 95. So the warmth, the humidity will continue to be a concern each and every day in that 7-day forecast. Showers are already subsiding. They should be entirely done by 9 o'clock. And then tonight, very excited about the supermoon. Reason why it's called a supermoon, it is a full moon, but it is at its closest point in its orbit to Earth. Therefore, it looks much bigger and brighter. So provided the clouds clear out a bit, hopefully you can take a look at that and go ahead and save the date for a super blue moon on August 30th. It's basically the second full moon of the month, but it also happens to be super. Next time this will be occurring will be in 2037. So a pretty rare sight to see. As for those temperatures today, they're actually right on target for this time of year. Fort Myers and Naples do average 93 for August 1st, and that's exactly where we marked 96 for Punta Gorda this afternoon. So all records were in the safe zone. Heading through the rest of this evening, those showers will continue to dwindle down. Those clouds gradually clearing out overnight heading into tomorrow morning. A couple of coastal showers are expected. So similar to what we saw this morning, I do anticipate there to be some beach storms early in the day. So heads up, if you want to head to the beach, just make sure you're aware, not just in the morning, but also for the afternoon. The afternoon also holding that opportunity for increasing showers and storms, not just at the coast, but also farther inland. So it does look like we will see that better opportunity across the map. But even then, those storms will be hit and miss. Not all of us will be receiving some much needed rainfall. Looking ahead to Thursday as of right now looks like a classic setup. Everything stays quiet for the first half of the day. Then after 2 to 3 p.m., that's when those showers and storms start to fire and more or less affect us at that point. As for the tropics, everything's quiet close to home. This wave of energy here in the central Atlantic now bodes only a 30% probability of further development as it continues to weaken. Overnight tonight, partly cloudy skies as we start off the day around 78 degrees. Heading into tomorrow, lower 90s, but feeling more like 100 to 105 degrees each and every day in that 7-day forecast.